What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that I'm going to be lifting my 2018 Chevy Silverado. Now when I say lifting, I'm not really lifting it, if you will. I'm putting a 2.5-inch level kit on the front end of the truck to, kind of raise it up almost, be level with the rear. Right now the back end sits about 3.5 inches higher than the front. I do like rake on trucks, so that's why I didn't want to go any bigger than a 2.5. I'm going to go 2.5 inches, so I'll still have about an inch rake on it. And yeah, I don't know, I'm excited. Let's go. So here we have a lift. It is from Motofab lifts. This is made in the United States. What I have here are the strut spacers themselves. It's not a 1-to-1 ratio, so these technically aren't 2.5 inches, but this will lift the front end of the truck 2.5 inches. These are made from billet aluminum. And so what happens, these are going to go in and sit. These are going to go in and sit right on top. Well, they're not going to sit. They're going to bolt right on top of the factory struts. Now, I am no lift installation expert by any means, so pretty much what I'm going to do is set the camera down on a tripod here and take some time lapse of me installing the lift. I don't have someone else to help me film, so I will link Motofab's video installing this lift. They do a really good job, really nice instructional video. I'll link that in the description below if you're interested in doing this yourself. I'm pretty much here to do it. I'll show you some time lapse of me doing it, and the big thing is the reveal when it's done. What is this thing going to look like? I'm super excited. Enjoy. Okay guys, so I did finish up last night. It is the next morning, but I wanted to show you guys what this lift looked like on the truck in good lighting. So here she is. And if I do say so myself, I think it looks awesome. So overall, I don't think it was terrible to install. The only thing that kind of kicked my butt a little bit was the upper ball joint, trying to break it free from the steering knuckle. That kind of sucked. And then same thing with getting it back together, getting the steering knuckle and everything up with the floor jack and lined up perfectly, and also trying to pry down on the upper control arm to align the ball joint back in with the steering knuckle. It was kind of hard for one person to do, but overall it was not terrible. Now the passenger side, which is the side I did first, it probably took me about 2 hours of actual working time. The driver's side, I had a little bit better methods to everything, so it only took me about an hour, so maybe like a 3-hour install total. I'm gonna go see if I can get a front end alignment done this morning. I'm not sure if I really need it, but I'd say for being a brand new truck and only having less than 2,000 miles, it's probably a good idea to have it aligned properly. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know what you think in the comment section, what you think about the lift. Please smash that like button for me if you like the video, and subscribe if you're not already. Please be a part of the build. And I'll see you guys next week.